This is my kitchen, and I do not like it. All that wood is ugly. It's some ugly wood. I don't like the color of it. It just doesn't go with anything. That's my cat. So I'm going to paint the cabinets, and I'm going to change all the handles to give them more of a modern look. So I found this cabinet paint online, and it is Oxford blue. We'll be painting all that wood grain into blue. And it comes with 2 things of blue paint, paintbrush, has a little roller here with some rollers. So that's it, and this is supposed to cover like 100 square feet. I'm gonna start off down here, get that done, so if I don't like it, at least it's down there facing this way and I can change it up. But be doing all that. I also found these handles here online. A 50 pack of these handles for like $45, so less than $1 each. I'm gonna have to drill another hole, put them right in the existing hole, drill a hole up top, and these will fit right where those ugly ones are. So that's gonna make it all look modern. I'm not gonna bore y'all with me taping off everything, taping off the floor and prepping it. So let's just skip right on ahead. So this is where I'm at right now. I've been sitting on the floor painting. Make sure I don't get any paint on my clothes. I've been doing it naked. Just using a brush, painting. It's Oxford blue. I thought it was going to be a little more blue than this. It's kind of a gray with a blue tint. I went to the website to check it out, and that's pretty much the color. On the pictures, they may have painted over white cabinets, but no matter what, that is going to look much better than that. So the back side of the island is done, and it looks a lot better. I'm not 100% sold on the color, but it's 100% better than that wood, that's for sure. This is going to look amazing, but I have to continue on and finish up this side, all these cabinets, and backsplash. I'll pull that tape off and get a look at it, but that looks so much better. Before I move on to painting the other side of the island, I wanted to get the tape out of the way and get a good look at it. This is going to be the finished product, and I like it. Still got to get around to this side and paint. I got this side taped up. Now it's time to get started painting over here. I'm probably not going to finish the whole kitchen today. That's a lot of stuff. This is coming along nice, and I know y'all not seeing me moving my brush back and forth like this, but y'all don't want to watch that. And I am still naked. Putting on one light coat, and I'm going to go over it with a second coat. There's one coat over here. Probably ain't showing up on camera, but you can still see a little of the wood underneath. But this is coming along nice. It's a little dirty in here, but my wife's going to be home in about 10 minutes. The kitchen island is done. I'm not even going to say anything to her. I bet you she don't even notice it. But that looks so much better than that. I still got to put the handles on that door. I'll do that tomorrow when I paint the rest of this stuff. Day 2. I'm still naked. That's not exactly the blue that I thought it would be, but it still looks better than all that wood up there. So I'm gonna take all them doors off and finish up. Doors are off. I gotta go buy some alcohol so I can finish this job though. I'm throwing a light coat on the top cabinets right now. I am moving slow. I drank way too much last night. Shouldn't be doing this. A really light first coat on the top cabinets is done. Really light. But when I go over it with the next coat, it's going to cover everything up. And then I got to get to the doors. Bam! I was hungover the other day and I took my time. I was painting all the way until the sun came up. But this is completed now. Everything is painted in Oxford blue. I kind of like it now. It's not quite the blue I was thinking of. I changed all the handles out. And I paid $82 for the paint. I paid $37 for the hinges, and I still got a lot more hinges. It was a 50 pack. And I thought I'd be done right here, but I found a backsplash online that I'm going to end up putting around here, and I only paid $57 for the backsplash. So my entire kitchen right now, once the backsplash is up, it's the next step. Paint, hinges, backsplash, it's all under $200. And that's where we're at with it right now. I wasn't filming me finishing up because my wife sits next to me with her phone watching videos real loud and has the Food Network on the TV real loud. Alright, so it's been a few days and I got this peel and stick backsplash tile here. Cost $25 for a 10-pack, and I got 2 packs of that. Hopefully that's enough to cover the backsplash all the way around. It just peels and sticks and it'll go together when you're done. So I'm going to have to cut one of them straight so I can start along the wall over here. I'm going to have to cut it straight in the corners and then again over here. This isn't tall enough to go from top to bottom, so I'm going to have to cut some of them short and fill in the gap between the top and the bottom over there. But $50 for 2 packs of that. Let's see how that turns out. Before I get started, I'm going to turn off my kitchen receptacles because I got to cut around them and because I got new black ones I'm going to put in their place. So, turn those off first. The receptacle is removed from the wall, and here goes. Well, from here I could tell that looks better. I'm going to have to get a little piece up top. That's where the receptacle is going to be cut out. And with a black receptacle on there, it looks so much better. Got to do all that. Time for me to carry on. So the one wall is done. I cut it in the corner and I turned it. It's not finished under there. I do have to get there, but I want to complete this wall first. That was not bad, but while I moved the stove, I did make sure to paint back here black so you wouldn't see pieces of wall. It just blend in better. Black receptacles. That's not bad. Of course I'm tall, but if you're short you can still see that strip up there that's not done yet. Like I said, I want to finish this wall first. I did not account for all the receptacles. I have one there, one right on the side of the stove. I forgot about the one behind the knives there. So I need to go buy one more, and I didn't think of the switches at all. So I got to put clothes on and go to the store. So this is where we're at. New receptacles, new switches. Backsplash, tiled all the way to there. Did not have enough. So I had to order one more little pack of that, and I'll finish that off. But I am done with this video. That'll be done soon enough. This is the kitchen now. So much better. Looks like a whole new kitchen. I paid $82 for the paint. I paid $37 for 50 handles. I paid $81 for the tile, including the little bit that I don't have yet, because I had to buy 3 packs of that. That is $200 on the dot. $200, new kitchen.